In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase. So we're starting off from our Coinbase app, and from here we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, and now we're going to click on Receive Crypto. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So go ahead and select the crypto that you want to send. So you can just go ahead and select one, or you can click on the search bar and type it in. I'm just going with Bitcoin for this tutorial, so I'm going to click on Bitcoin in here. Let's do that, and then in here we need to select the network. And I'm just going with the Bitcoin default network, and it is really important that you match the network on Coinbase Wallet and on Coinbase. Because if you do not have the same network in your transfer on both, then your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So I'm just going with the default one in here, clicking on this. And now I have my wallet address in here. So let's go ahead and click on Copy to Clipboard. And now let's go to Coinbase Wallet to paste this in. So from our Coinbase Wallet, we're going to click on this transfer icon at the bottom, and now we're going to click on Send at the bottom right. And first we need to fill in the amount that we want to transfer. So I'm just going with everything I have. So let's go ahead and fill that in, max, and then click on Send at the bottom right. And now we need to fill in the wallet address in here. So let's go ahead and click on Paste. So let's do that. And then you will see your wallet address popping up in here. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now we need to verify the address. So I'm going to click on Yes. And now you will see the details of your transfer. So you will see what you're transferring, what the network fee will be, and the total cost. So everything is looking all right. So I'm going to click on Confirm. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our amount of BTC and crypto. So now we can click on Done. And now we will see it popping up in our transaction history. So it's right now in progress, but we can already go to Coinbase to see if it's already there. So I can see that the BTC is arriving in my account because it is pending. So this will take a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of hours even, for it to be available in your balance. But that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.